airport to drop off my brother and his family heading back to Japan.
Wa mama e atua solelei moau mafuta ngau e tuilo fatu masani ngape ana o ilo aina Sasilia yona o eva ile masina se ulo polonga uala yona oto elangona ilona una uatu ilela lele o fofonga.
Where are we going?
Beach.
I didn't even notice that.
Well, it's sure.
Like,
I noticed it last time. That's quite. Bye. Dad. Dad. Happy.
yes.
Can you look at me? Look at me, Dad.
What do you want to say?
I want to say, who is the is the evil man?
Who's the evil man? I don't know. Satan.
Satan. No, Satan. That's not one. I just wonder. Do you think this is true? Okay, now it's not smiling. Let's do deep here. Deep. But that's McDonald's. McDonald's again? Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
they don't have one McDonald's
No, they have two. Is it just
They're so expensive. But there's also like
I don't know why it starts with the little bell. With like bell. I think like $50 and that will be like McDonald's. And that would be like spending all of the money. So my mom has 20 fully $100. $100 and 50 would take away that one. So what would that mean? I'm spending all my money on McDonald's.
See, girls, this is Daddy's primary school. It's where Daddy went.
So this is a primary school?
Yeah, that's Maris Brothers. Over there.
Mouse Brothers. So is that okay? That's why you went.
Yeah, that's my school when I was young.
Dad, these are your
Yeah,
house.
I used to walk from I used to walk to school every day
I
from
saw you.
Bloomington.
You work houses. Dad, I sold you houses on your work. Yeah, that's why. Especially if I take that, it will spend. Two. Coming out. We need tickets inside these cars and go to the plane and anyway for the.
When I was younger, girls, the city was never this busy with
and
cars.
just go to the plane.
There's so many cars in New Zealand now. And that's the wharf.
Huh? Yeah, I heard about boats don't have this, but like in Auckland they got behind it, like here, like kids here and stuff. They got houses. That's why. Yeah. My dad was asleep. Look.
And
Yellow.
that's fine. Just let Daniela go to sleep.
Look at the casino.
Is that cappuccino casino? I used China with Samoa. That is so great.
Waisingango Bridge.
No, why is it China with Samoa? Did you see that sign? Samoa with China. That was weird. All they're thinking is, wait, is there fish in Samoa? It's like Samoa. Yeah, just like Samoa fish.
This road, Mom used to travel this road almost like praying more than I could ever count. And I still remember the street and the little hill.
Mom, slow down.
If we're going too fast, we're going to crash in.
Yeah, because we're gonna come up on a big hill. If we're behind a bus and the road goes windy. So we don't want to be behind it because it's going to be
Mom, me, Daniela, Justin, and I were doing fighting yesterday, and Justin was Daniela's teacher, and Michael was my teacher, and they were teaching us techniques on how to fight, but with pillars. Yeah.
Pretend to like clubs. 8 Mom. I mean 8 extra 8.
I obviously won. Don't drag it. It's not fun. My ears are getting cold.
I cannot even hear what I'm even saying.
My throat's starting to hurt ever since then. But I think I hit my head on the
overload.
Yep. Champagne chocolate.
She's saying it better. There's like a wolf. This is the tsunami, right?
We hear that.
This was all damaged.
We're here, boy. You ready for your swim?
Yeah.
All right.
I
Yeah, Taro Plane Station, pretty cool, eh? So lucky for those mountains, eh?
It was $60. We pay for the parking and this fale.
parking spot. And the restaurant's over there. Hopefully my phone doesn't die soon because I think I'm on like 5%. But we're gonna go there for lunch in an hour. I don't know if you can see. You see people there? Yeah. But this, the parking spot and the fale, that's Sienna's. We just ate cocoa banana for dinner.
Cheese.
Cocoa banana.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Kids. Cat. Good day you're back. Chucky was singing.
This is insane. Guys. Umu number 2. Ma, ngayon lang yung muna. Meow. Meow. Ito na ini ay nga. Mamoy, Nayoka, Fee, Carlo. Mayroon may ay mama. Doang mamoy. Phải iling nhá. Mà ai mẹ ai. Dạ ta.
Cảm ơn.
Oh yeah. Nice. You okay?
You're there.
Can I have one too, Dustin? Thank you. For this one.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You gotta eat son, okay? If you don't eat, you're not gonna go to the beach.
I get my shit.
My porch. Now look on the plane.
Are you good with that?
What? Ano maya na? Yeah. Malifi'i. Oh.
Outside. Sorry. Mama, I'm let down. Wala mo gusto ya. Wala mo gusto kaya ko.
Iya ko ah. Yeah. Yeah.
Very
Malu. Maluch.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Woohoo!
Yeah, okay, Mom.
Eat your sausage and your lamb flat.
Don't say shut up to me.
Imato oifone breakfast. We got coffee from Sula and bangkeki. Hey girls, what did you get? Pie and cheese. Mince and cheese. And look at this, guys.
Ang damay singano. The walkers of the moon. The joggers and the walkers. The runners.
And then, this is my favorite part of the day. We're at Fat Burgers. Yeah, motel tour. Mom.
I think you could buy probably half a million.
Let's have a look at the menu.
Are you sure now? So I think something cheaper.
So we got Vaiti Bolo and the girls got Cola Taxi. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
Nice. Yummy. See the burger? Yeah. That's Dasha's burger. That's Monica's, Tina's. Tina and I got the same.
Hey guys, so just like that, it's our turn to head back to New Zealand, back to reality. It has been such an amazing trip for our family, especially for the kids, and you know, to say that we are sad is probably not gonna explain it, how we feel inside. Just really overwhelmed with sadness. So anyway, it's done now. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Mama e atua solelei moau mafuta ngau e tuilo fatu masani ngapeana o ilo aina Sasilia yona se funga